Alright guys, we are going to do the first DoorDash ride along. Dairy Queen 425, 3.5 miles. A little low on the pay, but we'll take it. Let's do it. See, I'll be able to bang it out real quick. Show you the whole process. That was a weird sound. Hope my car's okay. Kind of hiccup there a little bit. Dairy Queen is not that far down the road, so we can bang this out super quick. I'm fortunate that nothing really of value was taken when my car was rifled through last night. Yeah. Uber Eats. Now that's bogus. No fucking way. $11 for 19 miles? Fucking blow me. Absolute horseshit. Would never take that. I know I sound really, really angry about it, and I'm probably not as much as I appear, because that's an everyday thing. But nope, not gonna do it. I wouldn't do it if I was driving a fucking Geo Metro, you know? Come on, people. Get out of the fucking way. Am I gonna be able to merge here? Must be like rush hour or some shit. Come on. I might be good after this truck here. I gotta take it. Gotta go. Alrighty, almost there. It's literally 3/4 of a mile down the road. I actually walk to this place almost every day, easy walking distance. But then we gotta go like 3 miles after, so it's like 3.5 miles for 425. I know that that's not the best, but it's easy. I'm doing it because it's easy, you know, at the end of the day. Very easy, straightforward delivery. I don't have long wait times at this Dairy Queen. Okay, battery's holding up on the laptop. So we should be able to crank this out, and you should be able to see everything, every aspect of delivery from beginning to end, how long it takes, how long I had to wait for an order. You know, I didn't really mean to bring up the Charlie Kirk thing, but I was so bored. What are you gonna do? Left turn up here. Alright, we're gonna get the ice cream and then be on our way. I'll have to keep you on the seat. Hopefully nobody fucks with my car now. Alright, delivering one blizzard. Alright, let's get to it. weird sounds that time. I think I've got not a faulty, but a oxygen sensor that needs to be cleaned.
Head east on Park Street toward Bangor Street, then turn right onto Bangor Street.
I know my spark plugs and wires have been replaced fairly recently. So, oh god damn it.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Bangor Street. Continue on Bangor Street for half a mile.
Yeah, that is not staying upright. Come on. I guess it's good that I'm not hammering the deliveries today too hard because I don't really have a lot of gas and I don't really want to deal with it. I don't need to. I can chill for the day.
In a quarter mile, at the traffic circle, take the first exit onto Cony Street.
Alrighty. Traffic seems to have cleared out. It's pretty much smooth sailing.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Water Street.
Yeah, I'd be making a lot more money if I was just hammering Spark.
Turn right onto Water Street.
If I was just hammering Spark, I'd be making a lot more money, but I don't know. Something about Spark. You know, it's good money. I'm not going to lie. I think it's probably the best money in this area, in central Maine. Delivering for Walmart is the thing to do. But it's kind of a pain in the ass. You've always got multiple stops. The mileage is usually a lot. Although the dollars to miles ratio makes a lot of sense. Or there's a lot of shopping and time. Okay, go ahead. Cross the street.
Continue for 1 mile.
Looks like the footage is holding up and my battery is good. We're good to go. Almost done with this delivery. It's a wicked quick crank out. I can tell you what might have made it a little better is if the address was very close to my house. But, like, you know, the Dairy Queen's only 3/4 of a mile from my house. So, for the destination to be close to my house, it'd be like, just walk to Dairy Queen, dude, if you want some Dairy Queen. Yeah, that's sunlight. Oh my god. That's bad. Really nothing I can do about it. I think I'm going to have to speed up certain parts of this video just to get through the boring parts, but still give people kind of an idea as to what goes into a DoorDash delivery. It's so easy. It's such an easy job. Such an easy job. Only complaint that I can make is the dollars per mile ratio. Yeah, $4.25. I mean, in order to make minimum wage, I'd have to have like 4 of these per hour, and I don't know if that's possible. You know, minimum wage in the state of Maine is $14 an hour. I heard from another gig worker that in Rhode Island that it's $14 an hour in Rhode Island as well. But you can't be consistently making minimum wage or greater.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Townsend Road.
If you're only getting, you know, $4.25 per delivery. So yeah, when I get the battery work done on this laptop, we'll start doing some Spark. ride-alongs.
Turn left onto Townsend Road, then turn right onto Albert Avenue.
Those will be more lucrative. It'll be like 20, 30, 40 bucks a pop. But more time invested. Don't worry, I'm on the right road. Okay, driving down the road. Where's Albert Avenue?
Turn right onto Albert Avenue, then your destination will be on the right.
I'm on the right road.
Your destination is on the right.
That's not it. The fuck? Dude, it's way up the goddamn road. I fucking hate it when it does that, dude. Match with what's in the app. I mean, I used DoorDash just yesterday, and it felt like it switched to built-in navigation, which I like because it's more reliable, you know, than using an external app. But now it's like using Google Maps again, and Google Maps is, you know, it's good, but it's flawed. Alright, drop this off and get to uploading footage. About 18 minutes in. Yeah, probably takes 20 minutes to do the whole delivery front to beginning. Yeah, I'll show you a screenshot, only $4.25. Barely worth it, but again, I'm doing it for the footage. Really no point in having the camera on for the drive home. So there you have it, about 21 minutes. Again, I really should have maybe waited for a better delivery, but I wanted something quick and easy. You can certainly make more if you're doing grocery delivery, you know, shopping or working for Spark, Instacart, whatever. But yeah, there you have it. DoorDash is certainly easy, it's certainly convenient, and I think it should be at least, if not your start in the gig economy, it definitely is like your foundation, because DoorDash pretty much will almost always allow you to sign in. They'll almost always have orders. There are apps that will always allow you to sign in, but then they'll give you nothing for like an hour, hours. I've gone all day without Grubhub deliveries. But yep, that's the video. Thank you.